One of our signature new programs is a 4+1 MBA. So they get tracked into the program during their undergraduate years, and by adding one more year, they can get an MBA, a real solid MBA. The main goal of this program is to make sure that our students, our graduates' careers are accelerated. We're looking at a different audience here. We know quite a few of our students are interested in an MBA right out of school. This is a place for those students to go and be with other students that are in the same situation. Throughout your career, you're going to have this credential from a really excellent school that is going to give you an advantage forever.
Here at St. Norbert College, we're really excited to announce the establishment of our sacred music major. It's so important to us as a Catholic institution to be able to offer this degree and a major where students will have real-world experience when they are able to go out and do internships at the various churches around Green Bay, to get mentorship from a wealth of faculty and church musicians here at the college. Sacred music is very much integrated into all we do here at the college, and we're really well positioned to be able to provide you the experience that will put you in a really good position to do good work in the future.
In terms of majors that we didn't offer before, that prospective students and parents ask about, is exercise science. There's a large amount of student interest in this major. There are a variety of paths that students could take: athletic trainer, exercise physiologist, rehab, and a therapy clinic. There are also avenues that students could use this major for medical school. A lot of courses that are really going to prepare students for any of a variety of those careers. The prospects for having a job right out of college are very good.
The communication program is introducing 4 new concentrations. The purpose of the concentrations is to provide specific focus to students who are interested in particular areas. They include business and professional, journalism, public image and promotion, and sports media. Communication is essentially a broad field that is really translatable to many, many different careers and pathways. So studying here will allow you not only to have that St. Norbert College experience, but then to go on from here to do many, many different things.
Why a digital marketing major? Why now? The world is digital. There's nothing that you do in business at all that doesn't involve some sort of digital strategy, and that's particularly true about marketing. Folks that have been in the marketing and sales business for a long time are looking to younger people who grew up with this environment to be able to help shape what the future looks like. There's a real demand for this, there's a real need, and we're happy to pursue that. Cybersecurity is one of the hottest fields right now, and there are hundreds of thousands of unfilled jobs. And anybody who has a computer and an email knows that there's all kinds of vulnerabilities. We need 2 kinds of folks in the cybersecurity world. We need the people that understand the technology in a very deep way, and we also need people that are capable of managing that. We believe that the combination of a very strong liberal arts underpinning plus a solid, well-rounded business education in conjunction with the knowledge of these toolkits makes for some pretty dynamite employees.